Hey everyone, this is Vance. You know what today is. It's iPhone day, so it's Friday the 24th, I believe. Yeah, Friday the 24th. Everyone's getting their iPhones in. Some of us got early access. I'm not that fortunate, but that's okay. She got to me eventually. I'm just going to do this quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Right here is my actual personal phone. This is my new personal. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I skipped the 12 and went straight to the 13. So I'm going to do a little slight comparison because I'm seeing a lot of comparisons between the 12 Pro Max and the 13, but not the 11 Pro Max and the 13 because that's the biggest difference. The 12 is pretty much the same as this, except for this is a little bit thicker. So there's going to be a big difference because this is a little bit smoother edges than the 12 and the 13. So this is the 256 gig 11 Pro Max, and as you can see, they're still the same size. There you go. Fun fact, the illustration on the front of the iPhone case is the actual size of the phone, but most iPhone users know that. So here we go. Go ahead and do the unboxing. We have these little tabs. They're very easy to pull off, very simple. And put that to the side, and we have one on the bottom as well. Very simple. It's really thin plastic. Here we go. So we'll just set her down like this. I guess just pull up. There she is. So there's your comparison. iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, let's take her out of the case. There you go. There's the biggest difference. Do you see that? Soft edges, rounded edges, rough edges, sharp edges, straight edges. It's a huge difference. You can see the antenna bands. All right, let's go ahead and peel this off. Makes a little noise. There's the bottom. Speaker grill. There's your SIM ejector. Volume. Silence. There's the top. And there's the front. And this is the new Sierra Blue, as you can see. Can't remember what color this was. It's just a green. I don't remember the specific color. But there's the difference. You see the camera difference, the size of the cameras? Huge difference. Like I said, the size overall is the same. It's just the thickness and just small differences between the two. Of course, there's much smaller differences between the 11 and the 12. So let's just set that down there. Keep it in view. So there you go. This is the 13 Pro Max. And we're going to set this aside. We'll put it right here. And let's see what else is in the box. There we go. USB-C to Lightning still. Okay. And a little pamphlet designed by Apple in California. SIM ejector tool. A little bit of information about the warning information, I guess you can call it. And the Apple sticker in white. And that's all that's in the pamphlet. And that's all that's in the box. There's nothing else in there. That's all you get. So let's put the box aside. and show them side by side. There you go. The iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. So let's go ahead and see the startup. All right. More videos to come. Thanks for watching, you guys. You guys take care.